Stab you. Mahalo everybody, Big Daddy here, Big Dick Ballistics coming at you with the Microtech, Ultratech, OTF that's out the front knife. So I already filmed the unboxing, I already filmed it on the ballistic gel, so we're going to go backwards now. This was kind of like a spoof of making fun of like Run and Gun Heather, Cat and Canine, or that other chick with the titties. Yeah, nobody's fucking stabbing anybody. They all have guns. They flash them in every fucking show, so whatever. Ugh. The other girl's name was Brooke Teeny. She probably wants to do this to me, like, ugh. So a lot of my coworkers have these OTF knives out the front. They're really cool. They're just a lot of money. I'd rather, you know, spend the money on a Glock, like a Blue Label if I could, but I'm not a knife guy. This is my second knife review, so here it is. All right, this is their service member program. They have one for law enforcement, one for fire, one for military personnel. This is the one I got, the military personnel one. It's the UMS. So it's got a 3.35 inch blade. Overall length is around 8 inches, which I think is a decent amount. I don't need a fucking chef's knife when I'm, you know, out in the woods or, you know, doing any kind of utility work, because then it'll probably get away from me. It's got that Tanto kind of tip, so they say it pierces armor. I've, you know, used this to cut like sheet metal and stuff like that. Well, other Tantos, not this. This is going to be a safe queen for me. But it's a really nice safe queen and a cool conversation piece. Blade steel M390. I don't know what that is, but I assume it's really strong because you're paying money for this thing. Handle material 6061 T6. That's some kind of like aerospace aluminum. It's really nice. And it's like 3.5 ounces. So like, look, if you want a nice piece of kit for EDC, it's cool. Like, I like it a lot. But to me, like, I don't want to lose it. I don't want to ruin it because it's just too nice. It's got like a glass breaking pommel on there. It's got a pocket clip. Yeah, it's cool. Like, this would be good. Keeping support side. You know, you have your firearm on your strong side, this on your support side in case stuff gets really bad. And you need to get a knife to really get them off you before they take their gun. God forbid you're in that situation, right? Now, it does have a safety in place where I'm going to demonstrate when we go to that unboxing on a piece of ballistics gel from Clear Ballistics. And if you hit something solid, notice I still have the Magpul cock ring on there. It's going to go out of battery almost and not come out all the way. We did, though, still have like a decent amount of penetration, almost this much, almost a ½ inch when we held it back, and it was able to gain a little more velocity. So it's really simple. You go to their website, you go to products, you click on the service member program. You give them a call, give them an email. They called me in 2 days or 3 days, and they apologized for calling so late. I said, not a problem at all. I think I ordered one for me and my supervisor, police supervisor. You guys know I'm a law enforcement firearms instructor. And the total came out for the two shipped was $475. So you're looking at $237 or $238 for this. It's cool. It's got the date of manufacturer on there. Would I keep this in my garter belt or in my bra like the girls do on YouTube and Instagram? No. They're cool. They're a novelty to me. Good conversation piece. Hey, check this thing out. You know, you're drunk at a party, use it to shotgun some beers. Hey, check this shit out. Boop, you know. But other than that, it's a knife. It's a tool like anything else. You want to use it properly, use it safely. I do like the two-tone on the blade. It's kind of hard to see, but they ground it down a certain spot. So you can see that two-tone. It's got a blood groove in there. This is like my cutoff. That Bowie I got from Three River Blades, that Turk. Very cool, but like a little too big for me. It's got its purposes, right? But this, you know, There's no serrations on there. I like serrated knives. Just for like cutting ropes and stuff like I did back in Scouts and all that shit. All right, guys, so this is how it comes. Nice box. Again, this is the Ultratech TE Tactical Standard 123-1 UMS. That's part of that program that they offer. Nice box. Welcome to the Microtech family. The one I got peer pressured into joining. Oh, nice foam on the inside. So, product manual. I could give two shits about product manual, but operation. Does it tell you how to clean it? It tells you about the limited lifetime warranty. Knife care, sharpening and repair. Disassembly and sharpening will not automatically void the warranty, and I've heard the opposite of that from other people that I work with, so that's pretty funny. So you guys are fucking wrong. Alright, so nice foam. So let's take this out. Inspected by JM, maybe that's Jerry Michalek. Alright, so it's serialized. Again, this is the, I think this is the military version, right? So 03-22, so that's when it was made. Let's see. It's got these nice screws. I guess that's proprietary. I don't even know how the fuck you would take this thing apart. It's got a lanyard ring on there. That's cool. Pommel. That would be probably for like breaking glass or caving somebody's head in. I like this button, how it's black, just like the clip and the pommel, because on the other ones it doesn't match. It's like, you know, brushed stainless or whatever, so it's almost like two-tone. So it's first time I'm doing this. Okay, nice. So black blade, Tanto style. Is that serialized as well? Is it? Oh, it's got some number on the bottom, but that's very nice. It's got some nice accents to it. Made in the USA, that's what I'm all about. That's pretty wild. I might throw a dab of oil on here. This is going to be a safe queen. Just a novelty item to talk about around the dinner table, I guess. So, yeah. I'm not going to carry this. I'm telling you right now. The amount of money I spent, it was over $200, even with the discount. But again, that's pretty cool. So let's get that gel block out. We're going to test this thing out. So this is the Clear Ballistics 10% air rifle gel block. And we're going to break this puppy out. Now, it's about room temperature. So my house is about, say, 64 degrees. So this is brand new, never touched. So it's got the card on it and everything like that. Your gel block may have blah, blah, blah. I don't really care. As always, they give out that manufacture date card. Sorry for the reflection of the light. But total penetration for this block, 3.54 inches for 177 steel BBs. That's pretty cool. That was manufactured January 11th, 2022. This I also got, when did I get this? I think I got with that sale. I'm not really sure, but let's cut this thing open. I'll actually use that to cut it open. First, we're going to do it straight on and see how that safety mechanism works. We'll see if we get any penetration on that. And then I'm going to do it in slow-mo after the fact. So 3, 2, 1, 0. Can't really see much, but again, that safety mechanism comes into play right here. So it's still nasty. I wouldn't want to get hit with it. Did it leave a mark? Yes, it did. It did leave a mark. So let's just check that out. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right here. Right there. I don't see any real penetration, but That'll hurt. I don't want to get hit by this thing. So let's put it on ultra slow-mo. We'll do one more. Maybe we could get a little more if it winds up speed. So we're here. Now we'll go to here.